Hello, this is part 3, the final video of this 3-part series of creating a matrix 12-volt battery mount that you can use for FTC competitions. If this is your first time on this video, make sure you watch the previous 2 videos to see what we're actually making and where we are now. So now, let's go back to our Onshape model. Now we have our dimension circle over here, sketch circle over here. From here, we're going, we're going to use the linear pattern feature. I don't know why that took me so long to figure out. We're going to use the linear pattern feature. Select it. And then we're going to make this, the dimension between each circle 8 millimeters. We want this to be 0. Or maybe leave it as 1, I guess, that's fine. So 8 millimeters, and then this will be 14 times. It should be exactly enough. Yeah, it is exactly enough. So now, once that is done, we will extrude cut this, or boss extrude. Or no, select. Now it should be good. Alright, no, actually, we'll extrude it later. We'll focus on the other side right now. Yeah, let's focus on the other side right now. So, right now, we're going to do the exact same thing. So, select the sketch plane, then we'll create a circle. Then use the dimension tool. Make this a diameter, once again, 4 millimeters. Then from the center to the bottom, this length should be 4 millimeters. And the center of the circle to the left or right edge of the circle should be 8 millimeters. Then from there, we're going to also use the linear pattern tool. Then this is going to be 8 millimeters for 14 times. 14 times. Alright, now we have all of the circles complete. Once that is done, we're going to select OK. Now we're going to extrude cut all of these. So this may be very long, but it's necessary now. Select. Keep on selecting all the circles. That should be 14. 3, 6, 9, 12, 14. Yeah. So now when we do an extrude, we're going to remove. Oh wait, no, I have to do now. No, this isn't right. So now we're going to extrude, remove, matrix and remove, select the circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now if I go to this view, yeah, now it's cut out. Well, make the depth 2.54 millimeters, so it should be decent now. Yeah, now that's cut out. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side now. So I'm going to go to this view. Now click on extrude, click remove. Now we're going to select the circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're going to make this depth 2.54 millimeters. So select OK. Now our holes are complete. Now this can be complete. Now our battery mount is pretty much completely done. Now we're just gonna add one more thing that it's pretty much just aesthetics wise. We're gonna add your team number. I don't know what your team number is, so I'm just gonna add my team's team number. But if you know your if you know your team's team number, just add that whenever I put the number 16367. I'll say it again. It's 16367. That's our team number. But if whenever I use that number, make sure to put in your team number. All right. Now we're gonna create a sketch plane of this. Then we're gonna select the text button, which is this A. We're just going front view. So just make this. I'm gonna make this 16367. So now this time you put in your team number. I'm gonna make it. These are the only fonts you can use in Onshape. Onshape hasn't made it possible to add your own custom font. So you have to choose one of them. I'm just going to choose Droid Sans Mono. It could be anything that you want, basically. Right. I forgot one more important thing. So let me just do this one more time. Okay. 16367. Yeah, fine, let's keep it as open sans. And then I'm going to dimension it. Alright, never mind. I'm almost running out of time. Sketch plane. One six three six seven. Bold it, why not? Sure, let's keep it like this right now. If you want to extend this height, you can just do so. I'm just going to leave it like this right now. And then let's boss extrude. And then remove. You can extrude out, but I prefer is extruded in. I'm going to make it 2.54 millimeters. So now it looks somewhat like this. So now we're just going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm just going to do this quickly. So a sketch, then create the sketch plane, then text. There's a way that you can dimension it so it's exactly in the center, but my video is it's going to be close to hitting its like watermark, so I can't really show right now. I'll just show the basics of it. So from here, we click boss extrude, you click remove, then 2.54 millimeters. I'm going to go to isometric view. Then yeah. See, now your battery mount is completely done. If you have any questions, you can email us at kryptonwarriors@gmail.com. Please consider subscribing to this video and leaving a like if you want to. If you have any questions, First and Online and I are going to have a Zoom call in 2 weeks after this video is uploaded. So if you have your questions, please join that Zoom call. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're wondering what First Online is, just go to the website firstroboticsonline.weebly.com just to find more information about this meeting. So yeah, that's video's pretty much done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this 3-part series, and we may come up with another series after this in the upcoming future.